Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So today we will be unboxing and reviewing the JBL E65 BTNC headphones, which are over the ear and noise cancellation. Without further ado, let's get started. JBL, as many of you know, produce the best professional and consumer headphones and electronics across the world. Now, their business is divided into two. One is professional market, which is for professional audio engineers in terms of DJs, music producers, and so on and so forth. And the other side of things by JBL is a consumer, one of their biggest businesses. They produce home entertainment systems and wide variety of consumer speakers and headphones. Now, today we have a very special package. We have the Noise Cancellation headphones by JBL. These are Bluetooth noise cancellation headphones. Now I cannot hear myself, I can hear my speaking, but the external sound gets cut off. Now, fun fact, JBL is owned by a company named Harman Electronics, which is owned by the South Korean electronic giant Samsung. Now, before we get started, let's cut it to the unboxing. We don't get much. We do get the little charging wire, 3.5mm jack cable, and just the headphones and some paperwork. Nothing too fancy, just the regular stuff, and a pouch to carry all your stuff. What we need to speak about is the headphones itself. Now, here are 5 things that are amazing about the headphones. The first one, the markings. The left and right markings for the left ear and the right ear, which are clearly marked. Numerous consumer electronic companies forget or make their markings for the left and right lobes very small, which are very hard to read. But JBL, on the other hand, has made it so big, as big as the ear muffs. Now, number 2. Now, the ear muffs are leather, high quality leather products. Really nice and sturdy for your ears. Number 3, the top band is really nice quality material with JBL branding. There are numerous jacks here. One is for the volume controls, the headphone jack in case the battery dies down, and the Bluetooth and the noise cancellation buttons on one ear cup. On the other, there's just one charging cable. Very simple design and brilliantly made. And the 5th and best part is the customizability. It can go up and down very well, and it's easy to travel when on the go. The last and the best part about these headphones are you can connect up to 2 devices at once. So I can connect it to my laptop and my phone simultaneously, listen to music and take a telephone call. Oh, did I forget to tell you there's a mic as well? Now, the one downside to everything is when you're using these headphones on the go, due to the noise cancellation, while using these headphones in public areas, you cannot hear the background noise. Many times when you're in traffic, you don't know what happens. Now, overall, these are one of the best headphones in the market for the price we've had. In India, Amazon retails these exact headphones for around 10,000 rupees, which are reasonably cost for a pair of noise cancellation headphones. Now, who is this headphones made for? These headphones are mainly made for people who want to get away from the noisy pollution environments in metropolitan cities. You can block all the noises around you, the AC sounds, when you fly, the aeroplane sounds, and so on and so forth. These are wonderful headphones. Now, I want to know what you guys think about these headphones. So this is up for me. I want to know what you guys think about these headphones. Which is your favorite noise cancellation headphone? Let's discuss that in the comments down below. Until next time, peace. Bye.